thunderstorm was located over Lakewood, or 9 miles north of Toms River, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Your thunderstorm was located over Lakewood, or Joint Base, also moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Also moving north.
Hey, no. Hey.
Damage to vehicles is possible.
No.
Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Lakewood, Jackson, Howell, Lakehurst, Cassville, Adelphia, Vista Center, Allenwood, Ramtown, Cedar Glen West, Freewood Acres, Jackson Mills, West. 95 in New Jersey between mile markers 22 and 32. Freehold, Brielle and Leisure Knoll. This includes the following highways. 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 22 and 32. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Monmouth, and Ocean.
That's us.
Daylight time. The following is an excessive heat statement from the National Weather. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located